When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big of a difference as new window installation. For homeowners in Middleton, replacing old or inefficient windows can dramatically improve energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. However, window installation isn't always straightforward, especially in a region where weather, home age, and local conditions can complicate the process. Understanding the common challenges that arise during window installation, and how professional installers address them, can help you appreciate the value of expert craftsmanship and ensure your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Dealing with unpredictable weather. Middleton's climate brings cold winters, warm summers, and occasional humidity, all of which can impact a window installation project. Rain, wind, or temperature swings can make it difficult to install windows properly, as caulking and sealants may not adhere well in extreme conditions. How experts solve it. Professional window installers monitor weather forecasts closely and schedule installations during optimal conditions. When unexpected weather occurs, they use protective materials like tarps and temporary barriers to prevent water intrusion. They also work efficiently to minimize the time your home is exposed to the elements, ensuring your interior remains dry and comfortable throughout the process. Unexpected structural issues. Older homes in Middleton sometimes present surprises once the old windows are removed. Hidden problems such as rotted wood, damaged framing, or moisture buildup can delay installation if not handled correctly. These issues are especially common in homes that have experienced condensation or poor sealing in the past. How experts solve it. Experienced installers begin every project with a thorough inspection of the window openings. If they discover structural damage, they'll repair or reinforce the affected areas before proceeding. This ensures the new windows fit securely and perform as expected. Professionals also use moisture-resistant materials and sealants to prevent future damage, extending the life of both the windows and the surrounding structure. Measuring and fitting irregular window openings. Not all homes have perfectly square or uniform window openings, especially older properties that have settled over time. Improper measurements or fitting errors can lead to gaps, air leaks, or poor insulation performance. How experts solve it. Professional installers take precise measurements using specialized tools and techniques. They account for variations in wall structure, ensuring the new windows are custom fit to your specific openings. Shims, leveling tools, and professional-grade insulation materials are used to guarantee a snug, energy-efficient fit that prevents drafts and maximizes performance. This attention to detail is one of the biggest advantages of hiring experts. What might seem like a small measurement error to a DI error can result in long-term problems for your home. Managing moisture and air sealing. In Middleton's humid and variable weather, moisture control and air sealing are essential for preventing energy loss and mold growth. Poorly sealed windows can lead to condensation, drafts, and high energy bills. How experts solve it. Window professionals use advanced sealing methods such as foam insulation, weather-resistant barriers, and high-quality caulking products designed for Middleton's climate. They test each installation for airtightness, ensuring there are no gaps that allow air or moisture infiltration. This meticulous process not only improves comfort but also protects your home's structure and insulation. Balancing energy efficiency with aesthetics. Many homeowners want energy-efficient windows that complement their home's style, but finding that balance can be challenging. Choosing the wrong type of glass or frame could affect both your energy savings and the visual harmony of your home. How experts solve it. Professional window installers work with you to select the ideal materials and designs. For Middleton homes, they often recommend double or triple pane windows with low E coatings and argon gas fills for maximum insulation. These modern designs are available in various styles, such as double-hung, casement, or picture windows, allowing you to achieve both beauty and performance. Experts also ensure that your new windows meet or exceed Energy Star standards, helping reduce heating and cooling costs year-round. Ensuring a smooth, professional finished window installation involves more than just fitting glass into a frame. It requires precision trimming, sealing, and cleanup. A sloppy installation can leave behind uneven caulking, visible gaps, or damaged siding. How experts solve it. Experienced installers take pride in their craftsmanship. They use professional finishing techniques to blend the new windows seamlessly into your home's existing design. After installation, they conduct a thorough inspection and cleanup, leaving your home spotless and ready to enjoy. Final thoughts for Middleton homeowners. New window installation is a valuable investment that can enhance comfort, beauty, and energy efficiency. But as with any home improvement project, challenges can arise along the way. The difference between frustration and success lies in the hands of an expert. Professional window installers bring experience, precision, and local knowledge to every job. They anticipate potential problems before they occur, use high-quality materials suited to Middleton's climate, and deliver a flawless, long-lasting finish. By trusting your window installation to local professionals, you're not just getting new windows, you're ensuring a secure, efficient, and beautiful upgrade that will serve your home for decades to come.